spot that it originally was. And this little flange that you see we're screwing off here is it's just basically like a mounting nut that holds the faucet down to the countertop of the tile itself. So once we remove those mounting flanges, we should be able to just let it drop right through to into the basement where we can reach and pull it out. And one other bad idea about having this particular faucet up against the wall here, this is an outside wall, and here we are up where the temperatures get very low, get very cold, and most places up north you don't want to put any type of water lines or plumbing fixtures on the outside wall because they can freeze. And here is where you're going to need to use a little ingenuity and in removing this faucet.